guys, welcome back to my channel, the Product Secrets Reviews. So today I'm going to give you a review of one cream that is from Good Vibes. In this video I'm going to share with you all about the benefits of this particular face cream. So guys, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, this is a Good Vibes Purifying Tea Tree Face Cream. I have purchased this product from Snapdeal in a combo with other Good Vibes products. This face cream is specially made for people with acne-prone skin, pimples and dark spots. So this product is highly recommended for them, and if you have so much of excess oil on your skin, then this cream is a must for you guys. Now let's see the packaging. So this packaging looks exactly same as that of an aloe vera gel or a neem tulsi gel. It's almost equally same. And the price of the cream is for rupees 225, but I have purchased this in discounts, like for 180 rupees I think. So I bought this from Snapdeal when the sale was going on there. And by now I have already used this for a week. That's why I'm sharing my review of it with you guys. In this product, they do not use any harmful chemicals for the skin. All the ingredients you will find are natural, so you can use this especially as a night cream so that you can get the better results from their cream. As our face produces sebum, that's why our face becomes oily and starts to create pimples on the face, and then finally the pimples turns into dark spots, blackheads and acne scars. So to cure those problems, you can definitely try this face cream because it is made out of tea tree oil. As you all know that tea tree oil has antibacterial, antimicrobial and antifungal properties, so those properties can fight from the growth of acne causing bacteria on your face. Let's check the consistency and texture of the cream. So as you can see here, it is in a light, cold, creamy base texture. If you apply it, it can easily absorb onto the skin, as well as after applying this on your face will not look oily as compared to that of other creams. You can use this as a moisturizer even before your makeup, and also can be used daily in your skincare routine. And now I'm going to talk about its fragrance. Its fragrance is so amazing, so natural. Its smell feels so soft and soothing. So if you want the better results from it, do use it twice a day, morning and before going to bed. It will slowly clear up the acne, pimples, dark spots and pigmentation. And you also have got a very good quantity of 50 gram weight, and its shelf life is for about 2 years, so you can easily use this for up to 2 years.
So friends, that was it all about my review.
If you have loved this review, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for many more videos like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.